What's going on, dudes? Look at this. It's Spider Palooza. Oh. It's Spider Palooza. Oh god, these spiders are farming me. Wait, I'm gonna kill the spiders with my fists. My fisticuffs. Death by spider. For the video. I'm happy on the chose for the video. But happy. I just came on Minecraft and I remember I lost all my stuff. Criminal Iron Sword. Remember I died and I lost like all my stuff, and it's because my friend here accidentally killed me and I left the world. Well, it's like not because I was mad or anything, just because I wanted him to laugh. And yeah, you really started laughing. But look at this. This is I'm gonna name this episode Spider Palooza. Literally, look at these damn. I must hold this. Look at these damn spiders. This world is literally the world of spiders. Get the hell away from me. I have my powerful hoe. Ha. Did I kill them? No, I didn't. Please say those spiders despawned. Those evil spiders. God, they did. Oh, there's a lot of corners left. No. I died like over there by that like cactus. By that random as hell cactus over there. I was starting to watch some of my videos before I start. I've been trying to edit my videos and stuff. Normally I don't really edit them that much, but when I do edit them, I edit like the stupidest stuff, like the funniest stuff and stuff. I'm just like, man, this looks stupid. It's like the funniest part. That's literally how I edit, so I've been trying to edit them like better. Put on this damn gear.